Okay, how do you show your emergency contacts on your lock screen? So if you look at your lock screen, you'll see you have a wallpaper here, sometimes notifications. If you want your emergency contacts to be here, I'm going to go to the Health app. It comes with the iPhone. It's got the red heart with it. If you don't know where it is, you can just flick down, type in Health, and there you go. Alright, so I haven't set this up before, so it wants me to make my profile. I'll just go to Continue. And then right here, we're going to create a medical ID. And if you scroll down here, Emergency Access, Show when locked. Your ID can be viewed when your iPhone is locked. We'll go down here. Add emergency contact. Hit the plus. We'll go ahead and select a fake contact. We'll say that is my father, since it's Frank. And now we have one contact. We'll hit next. And this is a fake number, and hit done. And okay, now I'm getting started with the app. Okay, so let's see if it worked. Go ahead and lock. Hit the home button. I don't see anything of the sort. Right here, emergency, medical ID, and here we have the person's information here. So they would have to know that you have to hit this emergency here. So you hit the home button, hit emergency, and then right here at the bottom, medical ID. And then the person's information will be here along with the emergency contact. Great. If you would like to take a private iPhone lesson over Skype or FaceTime, head over to smartphonelearningzone.com, where you can take private iPhone lessons and you can take full iPhone courses that are available online. Thanks.